Welcome back to Teresa's Den. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. Hi, how are you? I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised, but if you're not into that or weird shenanigans, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here, no harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. I am so excited. I love this. I love these boxes because I feel like they set the course for the year. And I feel like this is gonna be a bad one. Now, I have not checked out other videos of Beautylish Lucky Bags, so I don't really know what's in those bags. So I'm hopeful. Who are we kidding? I know it's gonna not be great. But I do these because they're so much fun. If you don't know what a Beautylish Lucky Bag, it's essentially a lovely mystery box brought to you by Beautylish. Now there are two different boxes. They have the original Lucky Bag, which retails for $75, and you get about $150 worth of products, or you can get the Mac Daddy, which is the XL bag. This retails for $150 and it should be worth $300 worth of products. I say should because there was one Beautylish Lucky Bag that was actually under $300. I know. So I can't wait to calculate how much all of this stuff is. So yeah, okay, let's open this bad boy up. So this is how the Lucky Bag comes. It usually has this beautiful wrapping paper and it has a little note which says, now more than ever, we want to celebrate community and connection. This year's Lucky Bag design is dedicated to you, our global community. We hope the surprises inside serve as a reminder that we're all in this together. Listen, it's sweet, but I'm like, I know there's gonna be some bullshit up in this box. Anyway, so this is hashtag Lucky Bag 2023, hashtag Beautylish. I love the paper. Is it my favorite paper? No. Was it last year or the year before? There was one that had like amazing paper. This one is really adorable. It's super cute, but not my favorite. But anyway, let's open this bad boy up. So I don't wanna look in this, so I'm gonna actually put this off camera and I am just going to paw at it at random. The first product is from Holofrog, and this, what is this? This is the Grand Amino Cushion Cream. Soothe and strengthen. Okay. I've had some things from Holofrog in the past and they were just fine. It wasn't anything like super amazing. And that was a little dusty. What the fuck? Okay, she was a little dusty, but it's okay. Whew. All right. Whatever, it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, I never had this one before. I did have something kind of looked Coke-ish. I don't know, it was very powdery, which actually kind of now makes sense why there's powder on top of it. But anyway, I remember thinking that product was just okay. It wasn't good, it wasn't bad, it was just in the middle. It's an unmemorable fuck, if anything. But anyway, so we got one of these, which, what is this? I don't know what this is. This moisturizer is a concentrated formula of peptide ceramides. Ooh, I love me a good ceramide. Vitamins and a blend of 11 amino acids. An overachiever that puts other serums and treatments to shame. It contains everything skin needs to enhance resilience, support water retention, and repair and revitalize itself. All right, sounds pretty cool. Okay. At the end, we're gonna tally everything up. The next product is from Good Molecules, and this is the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I've never tried this product before. I do get PR pretty regularly from Good Molecules, but I don't remember ever receiving something like this. Listen, I am a dry clam. I love any kind of face oil, so I am excited to try this product out. Also, I kind of feel like this is a rite of passage. I feel like every Beautylish Lucky Bag I've ever received always starts with the Good Molecules product or a Holofrog. So we got both of them. All right. Oh, bitch. Okay, look how fancy we getting. All right, look, this is from Chantecaille. I love Chantecaille blushes. This is one of my favorite blushes. So this is in the shade Smitten, which is actually my second favorite shade. The first one is Emotion, which is the B one. But in any case, I'm just super excited to have this one. I think the pan embossing is so beautiful on this one. Look at this little guy. So cute. I love the color. I think it's so pretty. If you've never tried Chantecaille blush, highly recommend checking them out. They are probably one of the prettiest blush formulas I've ever tried. And I'm just so excited to get one of these in this goddamn box. Kind of forgot that Chantecaille is now being sold at Beautylish, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, very happy about this one. Even though I already own it, very happy to have a backup. Oh, okay, bitch. Ooh, no, I've never tried this one. Okay, so this is from Briogeo. This is the Hydrate and Repair Scalp Hair Mask Kit. I have tried the Scalp Revival. I remember liking that product, but I don't think I've ever tried the Superfoods Hair Mask or the Deep Conditioner. So I'm excited to try these two products out. In any case, I actually like Briogeo, so I feel like this is welcome in this bag. The next product is from Viseart. Look at this little petite palette. You know what? In a way, I also feel like I do usually get some sort of fucking Viseart palette in these Beautylish Lucky Bags. Just saying. Anyway, I love Viseart, so this is, you know, always nice to have. And I don't think I have this little basic bitch cutie. Look at this one. So this is the Petite Four in Amélie. I don't think I have this one. Anyway, super pretty. It's a basic bitch little quad. What is there not to love about this? Bitch! I am so fucking excited. Okay, so this is from Sonia G. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hold on, let me free her. Oh, bitch, you know, it's so funny. You know, it's really funny. I have been looking at this brush for a hot minute, and I decided to ultimately get the Niji brush, which I believe is like a powder brush or bronzer brush, right? Anyway, this is the jumbo bronzer. Oh, I'm so excited. I love Sonia G's brushes, and I'm so goddamn happy. Y'all, 2023 is gonna be a good year, okay? Listen, I was a little like, okay, all right, I don't know about this box. I don't give a shit now. This to me is fucking well worth it. Oh my God, I love this. Oh, it feels so good. I love, 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 love Sonia G. If you ever have the opportunity to pick up a Sonia G brush, do it. You will not regret it. Trust me, you will not regret it. You will love every second of it. And then you will start to realize how you have a horrible obsession. And that you need them all. Okay, this is so fucking good. I'm so excited about this one. Let me put the little brush habit back on you. Keep you contained. All right, so we get a little, this is, okay. Is this like a sample? I don't know how, all right, sure. Anyway, so this is a Slip Skinny Scrunchie. Slip is fine. I like Slip. I like Blissy more, but Slip's fine. It does the job, so okay, cool. It's kind of weird. It kind of feels like a sample, but whatever, who cares? I got a Sonia G brush. I'm gonna shut the fuck up. The next product is from Oribe, and I feel like it's not a Beautylish Lucky Bag without getting one of these fucking products. They're often so expensive, and I don't really understand why. And had I been in the office, I would probably pass this off to one of my coworkers who would be like, oh my God, and then they would be very happy with it. But for me, it's kind of lost on me. However, this is a body cream, which I kind of feel like it's always some sort of hair care product that I normally get. So this is kind of nice that it's a, I can't smell that. Why did I try to smell that? Let me see. Ooh, ooh, let's try this. Ooh, it actually does feel quite lovely, actually. Ooh, it smells like I have money. It smells like I have, ooh, a lot in my checking account. I like that. I love pretending I'm rich. This is good. Oh, that smells really good. Granted, I don't have the best sense of smell, so I really have to get up in there to smell it. And you hear that, right? That's my nose. But it just smells clean and nice. It's probably the best way I can describe it. It just smells like I'm in a very fancy store and a sales associate is telling me that I should leave. That's what it smells like. And I like it. Okay, all right, nice. We only have a few more products left in this boy. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, I have this. I have this. Okay, so this is from Wayne Goss, Baby Wayne Goss. This is the Tourmaline palette, which I actually own. I was featured in the video. Oh, hilarious. It's really, really funny. Okay, this, I'm probably going to give this to my mama. I feel like my mom might like this. I like Wayne's formula. It's always pretty good. And yeah, I don't really need this one, but I will give it to my mom, so no harm, no foul. But yeah, cute. I was kind of hoping that it would be something else, but whatever, it's fine. Oh, I don't even know what the hell this is. This is kind of cool. This is from the brand Mob. This is a lipstick. Wow, is this the future? What the fuck is this? All right, well, we're gonna come back to that one. Oh, we have another thing from Mob. This is, oh, a repurposed capsule. Oh, I get it. You put this into this and then you make this. Oh, festive. Okay, all right, we're gonna play with that in a minute. And then the last product we received is another thing from Wayne Goss, and this is the Essential Eye Kohl Pencil. What color is this bad boy in? Oh, I like this color. This is the good color. This is the good color. This is Copper Flame. Copper Flame is super pretty. Actually, hold on, I have an open one. So I'm actually going to just swatch the one that I have open, but this is what she looks like here. I know I have some cream on my hands, but it's a very beautiful color though. Not all of the pencils have worked out for me, but this one I found has worked out for me. Anyway, so let's kind of add everything up and do some swatches and all that good stuff. Okay, so this is everything that we got in the box. Let's start with this guy. So this little value pack retails for about $29. So the Grand Amino Cushion Cream retails for $60. The Good Molecules Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil retails for $10. So it's $99 right now. This must be a sample or something because I cannot find it anywhere on the website, so we're gonna say nothing. The Wayne Goss Tourmaline Eyeshadow Palette retails for $55. The Wayne Goss Kohl Eye Pencils retail for $14. The Chantecaille Philanthropy Cheek Shades retail for $44. I don't know why I remember this retailing for $40, but maybe they got a price increase. Interesting. Sonia G Jumbo Bronzer retails for $85. God damn. The Viseart Petite Palette retails for $25. The body cream retails for $18. Now the repurposed capsule is $5, and it looks like the lipstick refill is $22. Not bad. So this is like $367 for all this shit. Not too shabby. I have to say this is probably one of the better boxes. And even though I do have a lot of fucking makeup, I'm actually very, very happy that there's only like 2 products. Well, technically 3, I guess, right? That I have. The rest are pretty good. Actually, hold on. Let me see if I have this little Viseart one. Good news, don't even have this one. But to kind of give you some swatches of some stuff, I figured why not? Let me show you what the Wayne Goss looks like. These are the top 3 shades from this palette. And these are the bottom 3. This is what the Viseart looks like. I mean, that is fucking pretty. That's super pretty. Love that. Cannot wait to put this on my face. Now let's see what this is about. This is kind of interesting. Ooh, this bitch was sweaty. I don't know if you can see that, but there is some moisture on this one. I mean, it is Florida. Shit happens, but that is a very, very pretty color. What color is this? I know I destroyed the label. This is M57, if that means anything to you. M57. Let's see, how easy is this to put? Oh, that's super easy. Oh, that's so fucking easy. Okay, if I can do it, anybody can do it. That's pretty cute. I like that. And I do love the color. It's very real estate-ish. I'm into it. And this is what the Smitten shade looks like basically when you don't have that sweet pan embossing. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this little swatch. It's a little light. My lights might be blowing it out, but I can assure you it's very, very pretty. And then this is the brush that I was talking about before. This is the Niji Pro. So this actually retails for $85. Here's the difference between the two. One is a fluffy dome, while this is kind of a little bit more thinner, a little bit more angled. This is fabulous in terms of a bronzer brush, but super excited to try this one out. So yeah, to wrap this up, I'm actually quite excited about this. Normally, like I said, and I joked before, usually these are incredibly disappointing and I often kick myself for even wanting to purchase this, but I do it because I find it to be really fun. And I feel like it's a nice way to start the new year. So I'm gonna say, because this was a good box in my eyes, I think we're gonna have a good 2023. Now, please clip this. When ultimately the world's on fire and you're gonna say, Theresa, you fucking jinxed us all. In that case, I apologize now. If not, I fucking told you so. Anyway, super excited about this. If you're ever interested in wanting to pick these up, you have to pick them up on December 26th, usually around like 10 a.m. Eastern or 1 p.m. Eastern. It's usually like around that time. And they'll release, like I mentioned, 2 different variants. You can have the normal Lucky Bag, which I believe you get to choose between 2 different color options. I think it's like fair medium and then like medium deep or something like that. Or you can get the XL, which there is no shades that you pick. It's pretty much just like a random bunch of shit. But yeah, I'm actually very, very, very happy with what I got. So anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you did pick up the Lucky Bag, and if you did, what did you get? I want to know, are we bag twins, or did you get something amazing or terrible? Let me know, because I love hearing from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, and YouTube members. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross, really nasty garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces. I just want to gobble you all up so you can live inside my belly and we can be one. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, everything you need to know will be listed in the description box below, along with a link to these products. And I'll see you little cranberries later. Bye.